Kajingtmu jangka sorkar jela bansyong dorbar mang pisalani ke budget session hayeng dorbar thawan bathamai hamau diang kalau pulam namar kajingshna kadang ya suki na kajingbun kejenet ban tenrong ya kamaloi kle leni kedom ban penitanat bat penpu penping ya kadur kadar jong kani kajingtai. Usyong kenor kayeng dorbar thawan kejelau Thomas E. Sangma ha kasau terik nok pra ula penbena bakajing ajing mut jong ka High Power Committee HPC kalong ban penjelan ya kapor ban pendap ya kini kayeng dorbar thawan sa shispa sngi hadu ban dabiang bat tikenalut ki kam ki jam ha kajing shnai ya kini kajing tei. Ulo ong ru ban lait na kanu kajing seir bat kajing tor ha kajing tei ya kini kayeng dorbar ngimdei bantur kerke Henry N.I. Por hadu pada deplut ki kam ki jam ulo ong. Umentri rangba ukonrot kisang maru ulo kubur ya kajing ajing mut jong syong knor. Kiway pat ki dekot jang ke HPC ki belai don lang ha kini kajing jurip kilong usembut menteri rangba ubak Preston Tensong bat ubak senyau bahalang dhar Dr. Mukul Sangma bat Charles Pingrove bat Lakmen Rembui bat Bantai Dorling Do Chief Secretary bat DP Walang bat Commissioner and Secretary Assembly Andrew Simon bat ki officer rangba na PWD. Usyong kenor bat menteri rangba kila antat ban pli ek ying dorbar bathamai haus nyam arjar arpusan daka dorbar senrai jong kajela.
High Powered Committee meeting today, and it was very productive, and it is with deep concern that we had made certain decisions. First of all, we are going for slowly. We have been going very carefully because this kind of structure and design that the main hall dome has been designed is, there is no such design anywhere in this part of the country. So we are going very slow. We are going very careful about it. So we have asked the structural engineer has to be posted. It's already posted. So we want to go slow. We want to see another mishap happening. So the SPC has decided the work progress so far is going on very satisfactorily. But then, since this is a very, new structure design for us, so we are going little slowly. So we had earlier decision was that we should have our budget session here, but we're very sorry that we will not be able to have this budget session because there are certain work has to be very done, which are very sensitive, and we cannot just rush and speed up the work. So we had decided that we will have try to have in the next, not in the budget session, but the autumn session will be held here. We will try to finish and inaugurate this building before the autumn session. Yeah, majority is the dome work, but dome work, as you can see, there's a lot of steel structure being going and being welded and fixed, so it will take time.
So we had the high-powered committee meeting today, and we are all very satisfied with the progress of the work. Of course, there are challenges. We had a certain mishap that took place a couple of years back, and therefore, as mentioned by the Honorable Speaker, we want to be very sure that we don't rush into anything. The engineers of the PWD department, the PMC, the contractors have met on multiple occasions to ensure that every minute detail is looked into, and therefore they have urged that they should not rush into the construction, and rushing things could obviously complicate things. So therefore, as HPC, we have agreed that we would want it to be done well, and therefore we have agreed for a few months, about 100 days extension, which will then, of course, not make it possible for us to have the budget session as we had envisaged and wanted. So we are hopeful that we should be able to have the autumn session of 2025 here. But overall, as I said, the work is going well. The dome structure, we have reviewed it again and again. And just to share with everybody that the design of the dome structure has been completely changed from the past. Earlier, the dome was suspended on a platform, but now the dome's main structure will be on the main beams and main foundation. So the pressure will not be on the platform, which was holding the dome, but rather the dome's structure will go and rest on the beams and the foundation, and hence it's going to be a very stable structure. Number two, the earlier dome design and materials used was making the dome structure at a weight of 3,000 metric tons. That's about 3 lakh kgs. Now, after the change in design and material changes, the dome weight has come down from 3,000 metric tons today to 85 metric tons. And hence, not just the design has been changed, but the materials used in the construction are being changed, which is going to make the dome very much more stable compared to what it was before, much lighter also, and design will be much more stable. Many aspects of the longevity of the dome was discussed. How it has to be maintained was discussed, what possible problems could happen, like leakage, rain. All those aspects are being looked into, and obviously only when the construction is complete, the trials will happen. There could be certain small rectifications required, but at large, every aspect from seismic zones, aspect of rain and water, aspect of the design of the dome, all of that have been discussed in detail today in the meeting. It was a very positive meeting, and we got very, very good and satisfactory reply from the PMC and the other engineers who were there in the meeting. And we're thankful to our Honorable Speaker. We will be seeing that this will become a very, very iconic building and structure for us. It will provide a very strong and very long-term infrastructure for the Assembly Secretariat in the long run. And there will be sufficient rooms for members and the office staff and political parties, so that this assembly could really become a very, very vibrant and a productive assembly, and provide the necessary space for our legislatures and for the assembly staff to work in a very, very good environment. So we're very happy with the progress, and we are hopeful that with a bit of light, with a few days of extension, we should be able to take care of all the concerns that are being raised and have this assembly ready, hopefully, for the autumn session of 2025.